Mike!
Ted.
How's it going, buddy? What's with the tie? How's everything? How's Jessica?
It's good, we're good. Everything's great. She's on her way over, actually.
Oh, you guys having a little date night.
Yeah, she's meeting the parents.
Oh, that's for you, buddy. So, how's the new job going?
Honestly, man, not that great. I mean, okay, so I'm trying to show them how I'm this, like, model employee, right? I'm putting in all this extra effort, but they're just... I mean, they're not recognizing the work ethic.
Dude, when was the last time you played this? Your character is like level 3.
Shut up, man.
Dude, this new update is intense, though. Oh, speaking of intense, I gotta go watch the canoe.
Hey!
Wait. Did you wash your hands?
What, a lick stoned?
What?
Nothing. Hey, it's good to silly putty.
I didn't know you and Ted were that close.
Yeah, man, we're like best buds. We're like Nathan Fillion and the USS Enterprise. We're like dead rats and babies.
The hell are you talking about? Never mind. You got rent this month?
Yeah, I gave it to Ted to give to you.
Again?
Yeah, I gave it to Ted to give to you.
Again?
Dude, I gave it to Ted to give to you. Dude.
You gave Ted rent again.
Well, yeah. The tie. Well, you know, I gotta head out. I got a lot of bad decisions to make, and they ain't gonna make themselves. I'll smell you later.
Your bathroom kind of smells like a friendly skunk.
Ted, I think we need to set some boundaries.
Oh, before I forget, here's Chase's rent money.
No, see, this is kind of what I'm talking about. Hold that phone. Hey, babe. You ready to meet the parents?
Ted!
Hey!
Oh! Tick, tick, tick.
It's so good to see you.
I know, it's been too long.
Hey, guys, hang on a second. I really think we need to talk here.
What are my manners? How's life been?
No, she's good. She's good. She's been fine.
Well, actually, I've been kind of a rough place lately, but I really feel like, I've gotten through it.
I'm so glad to hear that you've overcome it.
Wait, Jessica, you never told me that.
Actually, do you prefer Jessica or Jess? Because I've been calling you Jess like this whole time.
Oh, no, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I do prefer Jess most of the time.
Oh, okay, yeah. I always kind of give people nicknames. You know what I mean? Like,
Hey, guys.
Ted! What a pleasant surprise! Oh,
hey,
oh,
happy belated birthday.
oh, thank you so much. Listen, the card you sent was absolutely beautiful. And the poem?
It was the least I
that
could
you
do.
wrote, oh, touching. So touching.
How's it going, Hugh?
How you doing, kid?
I'm doing great.
Hey, listen, that job at the firm, it's yours if you want it.
Man, I really appreciate it. But, I can't take it without Mike having a chance to consider it.
Of course. How very considerate of you.
Man, I've really missed Mom and Dad.
Oh.
We really missed our little Teddy Ruxpin.
Oh, my
Too sweet.
God. You guys are the best.
Hey, you're the best.
What the hell is going on?
Whoa, Mike. I don't appreciate you coming in here, making a scene in front of Mom and Dad. What about poor Jess? Mike, I think you should go.